Announced on September 23, 2024, the Tecno Pop 9 5G is generating quite a buzz. Set to hit the shelves in October, this latest offering from Tecno promises to be more than just a minor upgrade. But what exactly makes it so special? For starters, the Pop 9 5G is taking aim at the Infinix Smart Series, offering a compelling combination of features and affordability. We're talking a 120Hz display for smooth scrolling, a capable camera system for capturing everyday moments, and 5G connectivity to keep you in the fast lane. But Tecno didn't stop there. They've also included some unexpected extras, like NFC support for convenient mobile payments. Could this be the budget smartphone that finally delivers on both performance and affordability? Join us as we take a closer look at its features, explore its potential, and discuss its expected price in Nigeria, Kenya, and other regions. The Tecno Pop 9 5G strikes a balance between style and practicality. It's got a decent size, measuring 165 x 77 tes 8mm, and at 189 grams, it's light enough to carry around comfortably. The glass front adds a touch of elegance, while the plastic back and frame keeps it affordable, but also practical. Sure, it might not scream luxury, but the plastic is more durable than glass, less prone to cracking, and keeps the weight and price down. Now, let's talk about that camera setup. It's strikingly similar to the iPhone 16's design, nestled within a larger, rounded square. It definitely adds a bit of visual interest to the back of the phone. You'll find this phone in 3 color options: Aurora Cloud, Azure Sky, and Midnight Shadow. If those aren't quite your style, Tecno has thoughtfully included 2 vibrant skins in the box to add a pop of personality. All in all, the Tecno Pop 9 5G's design won't turn heads like a flagship model, but it's a comfortable, practical, and surprisingly stylish option for everyday use. Tecno has been a bit coy with the full display details of the Pop 9 5G, but they've confirmed it features a 120Hz panel, which is an exciting addition for a budget phone. Imagine scrolling through your social media feeds with that smooth refresh rate. And it doesn't end there. Tecno paired this 120Hz feature with a decent-sized IPS LCD screen and a sharp resolution, making the Pop 9 5G a standout option for its price. And let's not forget the audio. Dual speakers with Dolby Atmos support? That's a pleasant surprise for a budget phone. Whether you're watching videos or jamming to your favorite tunes, you can expect a richer, more immersive sound experience. Plus, the good old 3.5mm headphone jack is sticking around, so you can plug in your favorite wired headphones without any fuss. Even with the limited information available, the Tecno Pop 9 5G's setup is shaping up to be real highlights. As more details emerge, we'll update this article to give you the full picture. The Tecno Pop 9 5G's camera system may not have all the bells and whistles, but it's designed to deliver a solid everyday photography experience. Its 48-megapixel main camera, powered by the Sony IMX582 sensor, promises sharp, vibrant photos, especially in good lighting. While its low-light performance isn't groundbreaking, it should still capture the essential details in most settings. The secondary AI lens adds flexibility, adapting to various shooting scenarios. Up front, the 8-megapixel camera with dual LED flash ensures your selfies are well lit, though they may lack the sharpness of higher-end models. Features like autofocus and HDR enhance the overall quality, delivering crisp, well-balanced images. While 1080p video recording may not satisfy mobile filmmakers, it's more than enough for everyday moments and sharing on social media. In short, the Tecno Pop 9 5G's camera punches above its weight, offering a practical, enjoyable photography experience that's closing the gap with premium phones. Under the hood, the Tecno Pop 9 5G packs the MediaTek Dimensity 6300 chipset. It's not the flashiest processor on the market, but for a budget phone, it's a solid performer. It will definitely handle some light gaming sessions without a hiccup. Of course, if you're planning on pushing the phone to its absolute limits with the latest graphically demanding games, you might encounter a few stutters. But let's be real, at this price point, it's all about balance. And the Pop 9 seems to strike a good one between performance and affordability. In terms of storage, the Pop 9 comes in 2 variants, a 4GB plus 64GB option for those who travel light, and a more spacious 4GB plus 128GB variant for those who like to keep their digital world close at hand. And if you find yourself needing a bit more room, Tecno's got you covered with the option to virtually expand the memory by an additional 8GB. Battery life is another area where the Pop 9 shines. Thanks to its generous 5000 mAh battery, you can expect to easily make it through a full day of typical use. And when you do need to recharge, the 18 watts fast charging will get you back up and running in a reasonable amount of time. So, while it might not win any speed records, the Tecno Pop 9 5G seems well equipped to handle your everyday tasks and keep you connected all day long. The Tecno Pop 9 5G keeps pace with the latest software, running on Android 14. But Tecno adds its signature iOS 14 user interface. It's like Android, but with a bit of flair on the custom icons, themes, and handy features like gesture controls. It might remind you of the customizations found on phones like the Pixel 8a, though likely not as polished. On the connectivity side, the Pop 9 comes future-proof with 5G support. But it doesn't neglect the basics either, offering Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, and GPS. NFC is a welcome surprise at this price point, making contactless payments a breeze. And if you juggle multiple SIM cards, the dual nano SIM support is a godsend. It's perfect for separating work and personal life, or just taking advantage of those juicy data deals from different providers. If you want a reliable phone that won't empty your wallet, go for the Tecno Pop 9. It's a solid pick for students or casual users looking to upgrade without hurting your wallet. Power users might find the RAM and camera a bit limited, but for everyday tasks, it gets the job done. Its plastic build and camera performance hint at its budget-friendly roots, yet it still delivers great value, especially with 5G connectivity and decent specifications. The budget market is competitive, with strong contenders like the itel Color Pro 5G, Infinix Hot 50, and Realme C65 5G, all offering similar chipsets and features. If you're looking for more options within the Tecno lineup, the Tecno Pova 6 Neo could be worth considering. It offers better performance, camera quality, and battery life, all for a slightly higher price. The Tecno Pop 9 5G launched in some African regions in August 2024, with a phased release across other markets. It will be available in Nigeria starting October 7, 2024, via online platforms like Jumia, Konga, and Slot, as well as physical stores like Slot, Pointech, and 3C Hub. Prices in other regions are expected to range between $115 and $120. For up-to-date information, check with local retailers around you.